Hello everyone, it's Una from Perfect Homes, and today I'll be showing you this beautiful house which is really close to Night Safari in Hang Dong. The total space is 231 Sq.wah and 292 square meters, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Come on in. So once you walk in the house, you can see it's really spacious. Everything looks wide, high ceiling. Let me show you the living room first. Right here is the living room. You have this beautiful couch, really comfortable. And right here you also have the door which is connected to the balcony outside. Now let me show you the kitchen. Opposite from the living room is the kitchen. The kitchen has the fridge, microwave, beautiful sink, stove, oven, induction fan. I love the wood, it's really nice, the wood. Now here is the dining table. Big table with 4 chairs. Now let's go see the first bedroom. Right here is the first bedroom, comes with big bed. Wow, big windows where you can open the window and let the fresh air in. Right here's the closet. Like I said, it has beautiful wood. Now let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom's really beautiful. You have this sink here. This is marble, shower area. Let's go check out the second bedroom. So this house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Here is the second bedroom, which is they're using it as an office right now, but you can turn into another bedroom or you can keep it as it is. And the last bedroom is right here. Oh wow, this is the master bedroom. Comes with this big gorgeous bed, closet, 2 closets, and here is the bathroom, really big, with 2 separate sinks and 2 separate mirrors. And here's the shower area. And this is the door which is connected to the living area outside. Really nice and bright. And this is the garden outside the house with this beautiful fountain. And we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or if you would like to get more information, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!